Hello guys, for another video now for my Subaru WRX STI. I got a new box today. Like you guys can see, it's a TOMEI exhaust. I'm excited to see this. So let's open it and see how it's gonna look. Hey, Diesel. Yeah, you want it? Thought so. Okay, go over there now. That's a mid bite. Pretty good. And then you have here the part I most love this a lot. It's the muffler. I'm gonna open for you guys to see. Watch out so I don't touch with a knife. Very good. Wrap. Jesus Christ. Hey dude, you wanna help? I appreciate your help. I don't want to touch too much with my hands, so I don't leave fingerprints all over. But guys, look at this. Look to the wheels. So professional. I love this thing. So it says, oh my god, I don't even know how to grab this. It's a EXPREME titanium. You have the logo, I have TOMEI, nice exhaust, pretty big. What do you guys think? Gonna be looking good on my STI? I think so. Let's see what that box is, and then I'm gonna do this on Saturday. So if you guys want to check out, come again on my my YouTube channel. I don't have time during the week to do this because I work from 6:30 to 6, and by the time I get home, I'm gonna be late. So Saturday, I'm gonna put this, the exhaust, and I'm gonna put the stabilizer for my wing. I did the other video. So let's go check it out. Oh, it comes on this box. Hey, Zeus, come on. Come on. Come on. Don't be afraid. Here's the box. Come on. Come, Zeus. So, what do we get over here? Okay, now you. You. Come on. Come on. Come. That's over there. Hey. You want to be in the camera too? You want to be so famous too? Yeah. Oh, two crazy guys, hey. No crazy. So we got, okay, Diesel, down. You got here some TOMEI stickers and TOMEI logo. You guys can see. The EXPREME T10 and then TOMEI, and then I don't know if I'm showing right. Oh, TOMEI logo. Pretty nice. And we have here all the hardware. This is gonna be the part that's gonna hold the muffler on the back. This is to cut some noise. This is garbage. Nope. This is all the wire and all the stuff you're gonna need for the installation. And this is the rubber to put around the muffler, so don't scratch or anything. This is the clamps to clamp from every place to connect. And that was it, guys, for today. Oh, I have a new thing for my car too. It come today. Everything come today. So it come on the envelope like this. And yeah, gonna be my new plate for my car. It put my name, Tiago87, the year I born. So gonna be looking pretty good. Slowly by slowly, the car gonna look good. So guys, if you wanna see more videos of me and the Subaru 2017, guys, check it out. I'm gonna put some reviews sometimes and when I can for you guys to see. And I have to let me see. I bought third brake light, F1, and then I did a mistake, so I bought two. So this one, like you guys see, the lights, it's white, and the other one I bought, it's everything red. So I'm gonna wait for the other one come, and then I'm gonna see which one I like more, and whatever I like more I'm gonna put in the car. And this one probably I'm gonna sell or gonna keep in case one day something happen, I have this one to change. So if you guys want to see this too, I don't know if I'm gonna put this at home, but if I do, you guys can see the montage and then the review how gonna look on the car. Okie dokie. So guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.